Hello, and welcome to Franklin County's MetroParks Students Exploring Ecosystem Dynamics SEED program. MetroParks, along with our partners at CCS, have created a series of SEED teacher training videos for you to reference as you participate in SEED. For more detailed instruction and background information for each activity, please refer to your SEED teacher manual. If you have any questions or need any additional information, please feel free to contact MetroParks at 614-891-0700 or on the web at metroparks.net.
In Magic Mold, students will observe the decomposition of various foods.
To get this activity started, you will need to collect or have students gather various food items to be used in this experiment. You will also need a sealable plastic bag and some water.
Ask students what happens to organisms' bodies when they die. Remind them about decomposers, the specialized group of consumers that help break down organisms to add organic material into the soil. Then share and discuss students' past experiences with decomposers, and show time-lapse decomposition videos. Lay out the supplies needed for this activity and ask students how they could use these supplies to create a way to observe decomposers.
Help students record and narrow ideas to design a workable decomposer experiment. As a class, develop a strategy for observation and data collection. Have students perform the experiment. Label the bag and discuss the need for the safety rule of not opening the bag.
Next, have students record their predictions for the experiment. Discuss these predictions and as a group, form a hypothesis of what happens to the food and what they will observe. Have students record the hypothesis and their observations in their SEED portfolios.
Here are some questions to discuss with your class. How is the energy flowing through the mini ecosystem in the bag? Where did the mold come from? What would happen if the students place one of the bags in the refrigerator? How does temperature affect the rate and the transfer of energy? What would eventually happen to all the food? What would eventually happen to all the mold? What happens to the energy that was in the bag if we never open the bag again? Compare and contrast this experiment with the scientific method. Does this qualify as a true experiment? Why or why not? How would the students need to change this experiment to make it align with the scientific method? Thank you for watching this MetroParks SEED instructional video. For more information about SEED or any MetroParks programming, please contact Tanya Taylor, Education Administrator, MetroParks, at 895-6206 or Tanya Taylor at metroparks.net.